Hey good people, so I'm here with another Frazier Favorite. This is the Dawn Power Wash spray. I absolutely love this stuff. This one's low, so I'm going to show you how to refill it. I like to get mine from Sam's. It comes in a 3-pack. Sam's or Costco. It's usually like $9.99 for this regular bottle that has the sprayer on it, and then 2 refill bottles. In the store, 1 bottle is going to run you about $5. I like it when they also have the $2 coupon, so then I get 3 bottles for like $8. You spray the dish. You're going to take your dish rag and you're just going to wipe it. So essentially you're washing the dish without having to make a sink of dish water. Once you wipe it, you're gonna rinse it, and bada bing bada boom, it's done. It's great for like if you want to clean dishes in between making a whole thing. Now if I had a whole sink full of dishes, I would not go one by one and do it. I would just run some dishwater. So I'm gonna take the refill bottle. I'm going to set that aside. I'm gonna take the sprayer off this bottle that's almost out, and then I'm going to take that top off and put the sprayer on this bottle. Now, if I'm being honest, once this one goes down a little, I'll take the leftover in the old bottle and pour it into the new bottle. Love it, love it, love it. This is one of the staples. I've been using this for years. Let me know if you try it down below.